What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Solana. Without wasting much of your time, Solana, this video won't be lengthy because I'm still kind of a little bit bullish on Solana because I opened a long position on Solana around this candle right here, at $82, I guess. Yep, I opened a long position and Solana was already breaking below this level, but I was most likely bullish on Solana most part because you could see I made an analysis yesterday. If you watched, though I didn't upload a video on Solana yesterday, but if you watch my video on Bitcoin, I gave every reason why most altcoins will most likely rally. That is simply because we haven't been able to break above this resistance after this resistance became our support, but we broke below it. So in as much as we are still, the USDT dominance is still below 7.7%, I think we are most likely going to see most altcoins rally. And also, in as much as the crude oil is still kind of high at $99.51 currently, in as much as we're not seeing the crude oil rallying into $130 or breaking even above $130, I think we are most likely going to be good. So yep, I think this is just majorly my own take on that. Nothing really much in the market right now other than you to be patient. The fact that US have actually said that there will be 2 weeks ceasefire doesn't mean that the market will just start going up straight. There will be a lot of inconsistencies in terms of little war going on, not about the Strait of Hormuz being open immediately. There will be some back and forth probably after a week before the Strait of Hormuz will be finally open, and by then people have already priced whatever they need to price in. You get that kind of stuff. So I think this is just definitely it. In terms of Solana, we could see clearly right here. I just included this trend line this morning, not quite long before I started making my YouTube video. So we could see clearly right here that Solana is actually in a downtrend, which I noticed, and it retested it yesterday, broke out yesterday, but it got rejected again. It became a faker, but I'm patient enough to know if we're most likely going to be rallying to break above this resistance right here at $84. Once we're able to break above this resistance, I think we're most likely going to rally into $88, guys. I think that will most likely be the case. Now, in terms of probably what could be the worst case scenario for Solana, I think from my own end, it's best to see that Solana doesn't break below this major support right here at $82.73. Once we do that and we also break below this major support at $81.65, we could drop much lower. So this is definitely not what anybody wants right now for Solana. So yeah, I think that's majorly it. Nothing too much to expect other than the fact that we need to keep on respecting this trend line as much as we can. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Happy Friday, happy weekend to each and every one of you guys. Peace out.